Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to the screen printing breakout session. We're very glad to have you here, and I also welcome the expert for the screen printing business, Oliver Vetter. Oliver is leading the screen printing business unit, Screeny for Gallus. Hello, Oliver.
Hi, Florian.
Screen printing is a tried and tested technology. Could you please explain to our audience what Gallus makes different or better, or what makes Screeny so special in this segment?
Thank you, Florian, for the introduction. And also from my side, a very warm welcome to all our participants of today. Glad to have you here. Back to your question, Florian. Gallus does not only offer products for screen printing. Gallus is offering a complete system to prepare a screen printing job from A to Z. That includes the screening material, the development units, and the mounting equipment.
So let me start with the general question. How does state-of-the-art screen printing look like?
Today, screen printing is a very easy and flexible print system. Print plates can be exposed in a digital workflow. The washing of the screen plates is fully automated, and the mounting with the special tooling is easy and secure. We will show you in the next minutes how this can be done.
Okay, but before we come to these technical features, let's have a look at the screen preparation. How is it done?
We have several dedicated screen types, always to deliver the best result in the final application. For example, you will need a different material to print full surfaces, fine lines, or even 3D effects. It all depends on the mesh and the thickness of the coating, how many inks will be transferred.
Okay, so then let's dive into practice. How do you prepare such a cylinder?
In the first step, you have to cut from the real material you get from us the required screen size. That can be done on the special cutting table, as you can see here on the video. The table is built to easily cut the format and to punch the fixing and mounting holes at the right position. The table is flexible to cut most available screen sizes for nearly all available narrow web printing machines on the market. The next step is the digital imaging. The process is very easy. You load your existing graphic data into the system and start the imaging process. Also here, the punched holes securing the correct positioning on the table.
So that looks like real high-tech.
If you already have a conventional exposing unit, which you might have for the use of flex or offset plates, you can use that process too. The result is the same. Now the image is exposed to the Screeny printing plate and the printing area can be washed out. For that, you can use our fully automated washing and drying unit. You lay the screen on the conveyor belt and start the process. If you enter the screen length on the panel, the unit stops the individual processes automatically to reduce the water consumption. The same process can be done with conventional manual method. You use a high water spray to wash out the printing area. After washing both sides, you squeeze away the remaining water and place it in the drying unit. As the next step, you form out of the flat sheet a cylinder. For that, you position the screen in our welding unit, using again the positioning holes and weld the ends together. Timing, temperature and pressure is controlled by the equipment to guarantee a secure, reliable and reproducible result.
What do you use to glue both ends together?
Here in this system we use a plastic string to glue the both ends together. We already arrived at the last step, the ring mounting. With the dedicated tooling, the ring mounting is also very easy. With the mounting device, the exact positioning of the rings is secured. we also offer stencil rings with a modified surface to increase the bonding of the adhesive. This provides more security in the printing process. From here, you install the cylinder in the print machine, install the squeegee, and start printing. That's how easy it is.
Okay, so the handling looks very easy indeed, but in the end, it's the result that counts. So I think our audience is now interested in the output. Do you have some samples?
Yes, Florian, for sure I brought some samples with me. Let's have a look first on here on this very nice Swiss sample label. Here on this label, we have several features of our print system. Can you feel the colors?
Yes, it's a structure.
Yes, it's a very nice structure made with screen printing.
And the metallic part, is it metallic ink?
No, that's a very special we use. We apply a metallic foil on our screen printing, and we call it metallic doming. It creates a 3D effect.
Okay.
Another very nice feature you can see here on this label is a fantastic white background. With one layer of screen printing, you get a very high opacity.
I see.
Another feature which is very special here, we can not only do white, we can do it in each color you want. Let me show you a second label. This is a label where we print braille dots on. Can you feel them?
Yes, it's the same as we've got on our banknotes.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Also on banknotes, screen printing technology is used.
Okay. Very nice samples, I'm impressed. So, and a lot of opportunity. So, if somebody now wants to start with screen printing, what can you do for them?
For sure, the basic requirement is that they have a screen printing unit in their print press. From there, we can support them from the beginning of the project to the final product. In our laboratory, we have a pilot machine where we can do first print trials for you. Our experts can also support you in choosing the right print material, as well as choosing the best equipment for your process.
So, there are two questions left. The process you described earlier, does it only work on Gallus printing machines?
Oh no, for sure not. The Gallus system is working on nearly all available narrow web print press or print machines on the market.
So that brings me to my next questions. The material and equipment you described, where can our audience this get from?
You can get all the equipment you have seen in the video from us. The Gallus screening system offers you a completely fitting system to prepare a ready-to-print print cylinder.
That brings me to my next questions. All the equipment you described earlier to prepare the screens, where can our audience get this from?
It's all available from Gallus Screening. From us, you can get everything you need to prepare a ready-to-print screen. From the mesh material to the digital imaging unit to the washout equipment and the welding and mounting equipment. We also offer special stencil rings with modified surfaces to increase the bonding of the material. With our equipment, you can be sure that everything is fitting well to each other.
So thank you very much. We're already at the end of the breakout session. We have learned a lot of this complete screen print workflow. Thank you, Oliver. Is there something more to say?
Indeed, Florian, maybe one last thing. We are always available for our customers, and we are happy to support you in your projects. Whenever you need something, just give us a call, and we try to help you.
Thank you, Oliver. It was a pleasure to have you here. And now, thank you for attending the Gallus High Performance Day, and on behalf of Gallus, I wish you a wonderful day.